Very scary scenes. I mean, Ariella, you were just about to say probably something similar because, wow, just the devastation of these storms.
Yeah, I was going to say the sights and the sounds of the severe weather moving on through. What you said was excellent as well, but we are continuing to track this severe weather on a very special edition of AccuWeather Ahead. We appreciate you being here as we update you on the current weather situation. And I wanted to start with some of the rainfall here as we take a look kind of at what's been going on across the country. The heavy rain representing the yellow, the orange, and the red, East Texas throughout Louisiana, now into Mississippi, where Jackson just over the last 24 hours has picked up over 6 inches of rain.
That, if you can't tell by the angry colors there, that's way too much rain in the span of just a 24-hour period. And so that is why we are so concerned about the flood risk. The ground, it's saturated.
Of the wind, the flooding, the tornadoes, and the hail along the central Gulf Coast states through the rest of our Wednesday. Future radar will be an excellent tool here to help me show you where these strong storms are going to continue to slide east into southern parts of Alabama and throughout the panhandle of Florida. So I think these are going to be the storms with the severe weather potential, but there's still going to be a lot of heavy rain, especially into western parts of Arkansas. So flash flooding will still be a concern through tonight. That's 7 o'clock Eastern time. We track the low. You can see the circulation day throughout the Midwest because that's an area that we have highlighted for numerous severe thunderstorms being possible into the eastern Ohio Valley through our day Thursday, with wind and flooding being the main concerns. But I do still think hail and tornadoes will be a possibility as we head into our Thursday. Looking at future radar here.
Edition of AccuWeather Ahead. I'm Bree.
And I'm Ariella Scalese. As we look across the southeast and the Gulf Coast, we showed you some video out of Slidell, Louisiana, where we want to go right now. This view courtesy of a storm, a lot of rain. And New Orleans, we're still watching for severe thunderstorms possible even as we head into tonight. This is the most updated severe weather risk map that we have. Our forecasting team, our graphics team, just creating our new map here and cutting out some of the western zone here as storms continue to slide east, but you still see the high risk, the moderate risk, which means numerous, even widespread severe thunderstorms will continue over the next couple of hours into our Wednesday night. Flash flooding, hail, and tornadoes, big concerns, in addition to the damaging wind gusts within these thunderstorms through the rest of our afternoon. So tracking these here, that's a look at 4 o'clock as we see those strong thunderstorms moving on through into southern parts of Alabama and into the panhandle of Florida, starting to see improvements from west to east in the form of these severe weather.